How to edit videos for free without Watermark. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your videos completely free without any watermark using the built-in editor in your phone's gallery. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your gallery app and find the video you want to edit. Tap on the video to open it, then tap the edit icon. Usually it looks like a pencil or scissors. Now you'll see a timeline at the bottom. Drag the handles to trim the start or end of the video easily. You can also split the video into sections by tapping the split or cut tool, depending on your phone model. Tap the Filters or Effects tab to add color styles, adjust brightness, or enhance the look of your video. You can also add background music or mute the original sound using the audio option. Use text or stickers if your phone supports it to personalize your video further. Once you're happy with the edit, tap Save or Export. The edited video will save as a new file with no watermark at all. And that's it! You just edited your video like a pro for free, right from your phone gallery. Thanks for watching. That's all for the video.